Welcome to the video for the RESP 1580 lab, Module C, Station 1. And here we are looking at blenders, but in order to be able to use blenders and measure your results from blenders accurately, you need to have an oxygen analyzer. So for Station 1, we're going to be looking at calibrating oxygen analyzers. So we're going to have to start out by doing a calibration at 21%, that is a low point calibration, followed by at 100%, which is a high point calibration. To start with, we need to press the 21% calibration button, and then when we are sure that we have the probe in an environment that has 21% oxygen, we can then press the enter button on the front of this device. Once you've pressed it, whatever oxygen that probe is exposed to will now be 21% measured on the device. So you must make sure you have the probe in the right environment. Now that we've calibrated the analyzer to 21%, we should calibrate it to 100%, which is the high point cal. If you don't want to do that and you want to skip the high point cal, you press enter. But otherwise, if you just wait, it will lead you to the next calibration screen. Part of that is exposing the analyzer probe to 100% oxygen before you actually start the calibration process. So here I've placed the probe into a plastic bag with 100% oxygen flowing into it from an oxygen flow meter. Now press the 100% oxygen calibration button on the front of the analyzer. You'll see that the measured oxygen percentage will increase and then plateau or stabilize. Once it's gone as high as it's going to go, press the enter button, which will now calibrate or correct the analyzer to display 100% for what it's measuring. And you'll see here that we've successfully calibrated the analyzer. It is important to make sure that your probe is in 100% oxygen environment when you do this. Otherwise, the analyzer will read incorrectly.